This video chart presentation is Sierra Iron Ore Corp, brought to you by allpennystocks.com. Sierra Iron Ore trades on the Toronto Venture Exchange under ticker NAA. This is looking at a one-year chart that shows NAA basically channeling for several months between 60 and 80 cents. Had a little bit of a fallout at the end of summer, but it's made a nice bounce off of 40-cent lows and it's climbed back upward and now holding a solid support at 50 cents. You can see from this MACD, there's a nice little upward trends being established. In the corporate profile, we use the weekly chart, and that shows a nice uptrend happening with the MACD as well, but still a little bit of ways away from zero in that weekly chart. This daily chart shows it holding right around zero and looking like a bullish cross is going to happen of the 12 passing through the 26 EMA, which would further solidify the strong upward trend this chart's trying to make off of these lows. Now you can see from this slow stow holding over top of 50, that says momentum is being sustained in the play. I want to see that stochastic stay over top of 50 to show that the momentum is continuing to hold in the play as it challenges resistance points. Money flow index making its way upward, registering at 37 right now. Key benchmark is to push through 50. Show that people are paying higher prices for the stock over a 14-day period. Again, that's an indication of bullishness. There you can see over the last 2 months, RSIs have basically been holding over top of 50. One dip right through here, stock price promptly bounced right back upward off of that support at 50 cents. Much like other indicators, I'm looking for the RSI to trend over top of that halfway point because it signals strong momentum in the play. So the NAA chart is showing nice looks to overall trends and to momentum. And now what I'd be looking for is a key support level right there at 50 cents to stay intact. Closed yesterday about 64 cents. See, that's over top of the 50-day moving average, which bullish charts, the price per share is over top of that 50, gets the 50 trending upward. And ultimately, you want to see it above this purple line, the 200-day moving average, because in the most bullish of charts, the price per share is trending above those two key moving averages, and they're on upward paths, representing a very bullish chart. Now, with that support intact there at 50 cents, this chart's going to run into some resistance at that 200-day moving average. Well, there's also some static resistance at 70 cents. So in my opinion, it's going to be key for this to continue to take on upward pressure in the near term, to hold over top of that 50-day, and to keep these indicators of trend and momentum in their bullish positions. So I want to see it push through that 70-cent mark to go up and challenge some more resistance points at 80 cents. Now, that's very nice gains of more than 20% from where the stock sits right now. But ultimately, if the momentum continues, you can see some spikes in volume. See, it's a very thinly traded stock, only 2,500 shares traded on Tuesday. But if volume picks up, I do believe this will challenge these old highs right there around 90 cents. Of course, I always keep things near-term focused, and for me, that's going to mean holding above 50 cents and taking out this first resistance at 70. And if that happens, I think this chart has a chance to take on some very strong upward pressure. Those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the NAA chart, but as always, it's merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.